Hello student, I am Hemant sir. I am welcoming you in our YouTube channel. Hello student, welcome to our online study channel. We are going to discuss about the quadratic equation and we will discuss about the practice set 2.5. So 2.5 have three activity based question that we have to fill in the blanks only. Okay, here also and here also. So we have already understood the roots of quadratic equation. What is the root of quadratic equation? That is the value of alpha and beta. So in first question it is given as the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, that is the standard form of quadratic equation. Suppose the value of quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac equals to 5. So here the value of determinant or discriminant is 5, that is positive 5. अब पॉजिटिव 5 है, दैट मीन्स ये जो रूट है ये कैसी है, रियल है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू राइट द नेचर ऑफ रूट, सो इट इज द रियल बट नॉट इक्वल. एंड हियर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू माइनस 5 वी हैव. अब माइनस 5 है, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट रियल. ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट if the value of discriminant is positive 5, then it is the real. So nature of root is real, and here it is negative 5, that means it is not real. Not real. In previous video we have discussed about the value of discriminant. On that basis we have to decide the nature of root of the quadratic equation. That is, if b square minus 4ac, that is our discriminant. If discriminant की value 0 है, then we will say it is the real and equal. If the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac equals to more than 0 means any value which is positive form, then it is the real one. If the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac अगर negative है, that means the nature of root will be not real. Okay, so on that basis we have written here it is real because it is greater than 0 and it is less than 0, that means it is not real. So here we have completed our first problem. Now we will discuss about the second problem. The sum of root is minus 7. That means a प्लस b कितना होना चाहिए, माइनस. जैसे हम b को क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, देन इसका एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन कितना आना चाहिए, माइनस 7 आना चाहिए. एंड द मल्टीप्लीकेशन कितना आना चाहिए, 5 आना चाहिए. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट विल बी 5 एंड सम ऑफ रूट इज 7. सो on that basis we have to decide our quadratic equation. So first we have to decide or we have to take the variable. So let variable will be x. If it is quadratic equation, that means तो हम पहले स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म लिख लेते हैं. इट इज ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here we have a, b and c are the coefficient. So हमको coefficient की ही वैल्यू क्या करनी है, पुट करनी है. So here b, जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से, तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक्चुअल में b को फैक्टराइज करते हैं 2 पार्ट्स में, और हम देखते हैं कि उसका एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन b के बराबर आना चाहिए एंड उसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन a और c के बराबर आना चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हाट इज b will be the product of, suppose we have taken here it is given as minus 7. So minus 7 को हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं minus 7x and product of a and c will be कितना आना चाहिए, 5 आना चाहिए. So हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे, 5. यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 5 because we have a equals to 1 and c equals to 5. So 5 into 1 कितना हो जाएगा, 5. सो हमारा जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस, अब देखो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, -7 है, सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट -7x, देन वी हैव टू राइट +5, so here we have +5, so this will be our quadratic equation. So here we have to write x, here we have to write x square minus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. So the plus minus, that is b equals to -7 we have, here it is given the sum of root is -7 and product of root is 5, so 5 into 1 will be 5. okay, so हम इसको अल्फा और बीटा को ऐसे भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. we know alpha equals to, what is alpha equals to, -b divided by a, and what is beta equals to, it is -c divided by a. And beta equals to, we can decide like this also. We have sum of root is alpha plus beta equals to -b divided by a, and the product of root is alpha into beta equals to, we have c divided by a. So let a equals to 1, we have a equals to 1, then b क्या हो जाएगा, -7 हो जाएगा. इट इज द सम ऑफ रूट, और सम को ही हम बोलते हैं अल्फा प्लस बीटा, सो क्या हो जाएगा, -7 डिवाइड बाय 1, एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट दैट मीन्स अल्फा इंटू बीटा, सो अल्फा इंटू बीटा कितना हो जाएगा, 5 डिवाइड बाय 1, इट इज नेगेटिव. ओके, सो अगर हमारा जो a की वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है, 1 आ रही है, दैट मीन्स हियर वी कैन डिसाइड a इक्वल्स टू 1, b equals to -7 and c equals to 5. So likewise we can decide our quadratic equation here. So we have one, this is a standard form. So by comparing standard form, instead of 1 a we have to write 1, that is x square. Then we have bx, so value of b is -7, so we have written here -7x, and then we have c equals to 5, so instead of c we have written 5 over here. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So you have to write like this only to decide the quadratic equation on the basis of given values of roots, that is alpha and beta. Now we have third problem. It says if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. अगर अल्फा और बीटा क्या है, हमारे quadratic equation की रूट है, then we have to write their value, that is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So here we have a equals to 2, here we have a equals to 2, then b equals to, we have -4, b equals to, we have -4, and c equals to, we have -3, c equals to, we have -3. So what is alpha plus beta? We know alpha plus beta equals to -b divided by a, or we have to solve here. So alpha plus beta equals to, we have -b divided by a. So what is -b? -b is what is b? It is -4. So we have to write minus. Here we have minus. What is the value of b? Is -4 divided by a. A is 2. So when we will open the bracket, minus into minus will become plus. So 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So here we have alpha plus beta, that is the sum of root is 2. Now we have to calculate the value for product of the root. So product of root is what? It is alpha into beta. So what is alpha into beta? It is c divided by a. What is c here? We have -3. So we have to write -3 divided by a, we have 2. So -3 divided by 2 will be the answer. So here we have to write -3 divided by 2 is the answer. So here we have completed our activity based question, that is question number 1, 2 and 3 of your practice set practice at 2.5. So if you want to write, you can write. This is the rough part, okay? You do not have to write along with your solution. You have to write on the side of the solution, okay? So you can write. So now we will solve the second problem, that is find the value of discriminant. It is the practice set 2.5 का second question. और second question में we have 3 sub questions. So first question and third question we are going to solve now, and second sub question will be homework for you. Okay. So here we have to calculate the value of discriminant. So you know the formula. So solution. What is discriminant? It is delta. हमने पढ़ा था डिस्क्रिमिनेंट को हम डेल्टा यानी डेल से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो d इक्वल्स टू वी है b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो if we will compare this equation to the standard form of quadratic equation, we can decide a equals to we have 1, b equals to we have 7, and c equals to we have minus 1. We have minus 1. So we have to solve now. So del equals to we have b square minus 4ac. So del equals to b. What is b? It is 7. So square of 7 minus 4 into what is a? A is 1. And what is c? C is minus 1. So del equals to the square of 7 is 49. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 ones is 4, 4 ones is 4. So here 4. So del equals to 49 plus 4 is 53. 53 will be the value of discriminant. Okay, really easy. So now we will solve the third question. Second sub question will be homework. Okay. So again we have to compare our given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. What is standard form of quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equals to we have root 2. So a equals to we have root 2. B equals to we have 4. And c equals to we have 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So we have to solve now. We have formula del equals to b square minus 4ac. So del equals to what is b? We have square of 4 square minus inside the bracket we have 4 into what is a equals to root 2. So a equals to root 2 into c equals to we have 2 root 2. So we have to write 2 root 2. Okay. So del equals to square of 4 is 16 minus inside bracket. See, we have to multiply 4 into 4 is 8 into root 2 is 2. So del equals to 16 minus 8 2's are 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So here we have del equals to 0. So this is the value of discriminant. Okay. So these are the very really easy questions, so that you have to solve on your own. So the second sub question of this exercise or this question second will be the homework for you. Okay. So here we are completing our today's session. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड गाइस कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग all these questions at home also. Okay. So bye.